Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths. China's economy has slowed the last several months due to continued COVID lockdowns. Now, it's hit their housing and manufacturing sectors and slowed their GDP. However, since the Chinese election, stories have been flip-flopping on a possible change in policy. AgDay's Michelle Rook has the very latest.
Clinton report circulated last week China was possibly easing its zero-tolerance policy on COVID, and markets like cotton, soybeans, and energies rallied on the news. Now, this comes at the same time China's import data for October shows lockdowns are taking their toll on demand for ag goods. In the latest story, health officials say, though, China will persevere with its dynamic clearing approach to COVID-19 cases as soon as they emerge. This refutes last week's comments that Beijing was making substantial policy changes in the coming months. One market analyst says the trade is looking for market signals to determine what's real.
I'm eyeing the Chinese currency, the renminbi. I think if this is a real story, the capital flows will start flowing back into China, back into the country, thinking that things are going to get better economically. And so I'd be looking at that 14 area on the Chinese currency.
Meanwhile, October import data for China shows a decline of 0.7% versus a year ago, the first drop since August 2020 as domestic demand slumped amid strict COVID restrictions. China's exports fell 0.3%, leaving a trade surplus of $85 billion, well shy of an expected increase of $96 billion. Hackett says this should be no surprise.
People in the rooms, and you see you're not allowed out, and you hand them food twice a day. I mean, no matter how you want to slice it and dice it, that hurts demand without question.
China imported just 4 million metric tons of soybeans in October, plunging 46% from September and the lowest for any month since October 2014. And for the first 10 months of 2022, China's soybean imports are down 7.4% versus last year. China's October meat imports are also down 5% from last year, mostly due to a drop in pork, and through the first 10 months of the year are down 25% versus 2021. Hackett says these could rebound quickly, though, if China reopens its economy.